IT departments are drowning in data, much of it vital to business efficiency and effectiveness. Today, compliance requirements are demanding long-term retention and increasing the need to store data regardless of its classification and criticality. So, which storage solutions are your customers turning to? Veeam Cloud Tier enables Veeam's scale-out backup repository with unlimited long-term data retention. It employs native, cost-effective object storage integrated with Amazon S3, Azure Blob Storage, and IBM Cloud Object Storage, as well as many S3-compatible service providers and on-premises storage solutions. For tape-based data, Veeam offers virtual tape library integrations with Amazon S3, Glacier, and Azure Blob. Your customers are wondering, how can I achieve the economy of scale that makes long-term data storage a viable and cost-effective solution? How can I harness the power of cloud storage? How can I use cloud-based object storage platforms to meet long-term retention policies? Veeam has the answers your customers are looking for. Visit the Pro Partner portal today or call Veeam Direct to find out how our data storage solutions can meet your customers' needs.